Hello and welcome to our next training video. Today we will show you how to create a content profile in the wescale network. I am Klara.
And I'm Ben. Klara, what exactly is a content profile and what is it used for?
Good question, Ben. You use content profiles to define catalog and product requirements. Content profiles are used permanently to validate catalogs. They are used both when a catalog is first provided and later when it is used productively. We don't need to create a separate content profile for each catalog. Wescale organizes content profiles into levels, as you will see in a moment.
I can understand that. Let's get started.
First, go to Catalog Management Content Profiles in the system.
Okay.
Wescale helps us to put together our catalog requirements by already having the content profiles for the platform, tenant, and origin levels created. We just need to fill them out. And there are also 3 examples of content profiles at the catalog level. The best place to start is with the tenant level content profile. This is where you define the basic requirements that apply to all your catalogs. Under General, you will find the properties and descriptions of the profile.
And how do I add validation rules?
Go to Requirements. Here, you will see a table with catalog fields. You can click on the column header Tenant to sort the entries or use the search function. You can also add additional fields to which you would like to assign requirements. Open the details of a catalog field and check the existing validation rules. You can add new requirements or adjust existing ones.
That sounds straightforward. What do I do when I have defined all the requirements?
Save your entries with Update Content Profile. If you then want to use the content profile for the catalog check, you have to publish it. Now we will create content profiles at the origin and catalog level. These profiles contain specific requirements for punch-out and hosted catalogs or for specific catalogs of an origin.
And how do I do that?
You do the same as for the tenant level content profile. Open the details, check the fields and validation rules, and adjust them as needed. Save and publish the profile when you're done.
Klara, how do I determine the severity of a validation rule?
Good question, Ben. There are 3 severity levels: Info, Warning, and Error. Information is simply information for the supplier. Warnings are indications of potentially problematic data. Errors block the import or release of catalog items.
That helps me to determine the priority of the rules.
You're welcome, Ben. Thanks for watching. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I recommend you watch them too.